Hi friends, welcome back to another informative video. In this video, I am explaining about major newspapers of the world and their corresponding country. Newspapers and country. Let's start. Washington Post, USA, Washington. New York Times, USA, New York. Daily News, USA, New York. Times of India, India, Mumbai. The Hindu, India. Guardian Weekly, UK, London. Down, Pakistan, Karachi. The Iceland, Sri Lanka, Colombo. Eastern Sun, Singapore. Merdeka, Indonesia, Jakarta. Bangladesh Observer, Bangladesh, Dhaka. Khalij Times, Dubai. Menchi Shimbum, Japan, Tokyo. People's Daily, China, Beijing. La Repubblica, Rome. Bild, South Africa. Die Welt, Germany. The Herald, UK. Listen carefully and study well. I think this video is informative for you. Now goodbye and Jai Hind.